Good morning, my lovely learners. How are you doing today? We are starting our lesson on basic science. The topic for the day is basic electricity and types of electricity. Electricity is a form of energy that can be produced in many ways. It is very important to our lives. Electricity can be converted into other forms such as heat energy, light energy, and mechanical energy. It is used to operate our electrical appliances such as fan, refrigerator, radio, computer, and the pressing iron. So we can make use of electricity by the operation of those electrical appliances such as fan, refrigerator, radio, computer, and the pressing iron. Without the electricity, you can't make use of those things. Then types of electricity. There are two types of electricity. One, static electricity. This type involves the free electrons gathered at one position. The existence of this type can be verified by rubbing vigorously a plastic pen or plastic comb on a wool, on a form, or on your hair, and they bring it near a paper, a small piece of paper. That is, you rub it very well. You rub it on a plastic pen, you rub it on a plastic comb, on the wool, on the fur, that is skin of animal like rabbit, or on the hair. You rub it seriously. Now bring it near a piece of paper. The plastic pen attracts the paper. So after rubbing it, it will attract the paper. That is the experiment you do for that one. Then number 2, current electricity. Remember we said that the first one is static electricity. That is one you can rub pen or comb, plastic, rub it seriously on a wool or on the hair or fur. You bring a piece of paper and bring two of them together. It will attract the pen or whatever the comb you rub will attract the paper. Then the second one is current electricity. Make use of current. This is the type of electricity generated as a result of movement of free electron in chemical substances and the metal. This is used to operate our electrical appliances. So this type is the one we use to make use of our electrical appliances. For example, get a battery, get an electric wire and a bulb. Connect the wire and put them together. You connect the wire. After the connection, you look at this picture here, how they're being connected. The electrons gather together. The ions there are there. We have positive electrode and the negative one. So the positive one, when you connect it, will give light. Negative one, but two of them must be connected together. Then look at the inside the battery. Here the chemical substances are gathered together. In this picture, you see the materials used in making a current electricity. You can see the bulbs, 3 sorts of bulb or 3 types. The radar, the electrician will use, and the other tools. The method of generating electricity. There are many methods of generating electricity. There are friction, magnet, chemicals, heat, biomass, solar, wind, hydroelectric, and the use of gas. In all these you are generating electricity. Friction. For example, rub your hand seriously. After rubbing it, you touch your cheeks or your cheeks, you see that it will be very hot. And make it, that is heat. Magnet, like the first example, after rubbing plastic, and attraction means that something is magneting. So all these are what we have for the electricity. Remember we said electricity is a form of energy that can be produced in many ways. And it is very important in our lives because we are making use of electricity in our everyday activities. Whatever we are doing now, most of them have been making use of electricity. In our cooking gas, we use electricity to cook. Electric stove, the same thing. Electric iron, our radio, our television, our computer. All these are the appliances we are using for the electric. So it is very, very important to our lives. We talked about two types of electricity. There are static electricity and what? Very good, and a current electricity. Do you have any other question? Do you have any question to ask? We didn't have? Hope you understood our topic very well. If you didn't have, let me ask. How does electricity being produced? Okay. Good. Yes, we can produce it by rubbing of plastic pen or plastic comb on a wool or on the floor. Okay. How many types of electricity can you identify? Which one? Good. You can identify two types. Mention them. Static electricity and current electricity. Thumb bulb. You are great. List 3 electrical appliances that can be operated by electricity. Emmanuel N. Radio, good. Computer, yes. Refrigerator, very nice. Mention 3 methods of generating electricity. 3 methods of generating electricity. Sophia? Good. We generate electricity by friction, good, by magnets, and by chemicals. You people are great. I love you. Have a nice day. Remember to stay safe. Bye.